All right, we're looking at using estimation in your TABE success book on page 11. Now, estimation is a common sense skill, and I know you have common sense, otherwise you wouldn't be alive watching this video. You have enough common sense that you have survived LA traffic. You know that you do not run across 4 lanes of traffic on the LA freeway on rush hour. You know that. When you were a child, well, maybe even as an adult, you knew that you didn't jump off the pier with all your clothes on because you would drown. You knew that you don't stick a knife into a light socket. You've got common sense, okay? Now, you may ask me, what does that have to do with math? Well, it does apply to math. You do this all the time. You go to In-N-Out, and you may not know exactly how much In-N-Out burger is going to cost because the price changes a little bit, and you may not know exactly how much money you have in your pocket. But I would say you could estimate that, if you got yourself a double-double, a Coke, and a fries, if you have $7 in your pocket, you're probably going to be okay. You don't need $70 to buy an In-N-Out combo. You don't need $700 to buy an In-N-Out combo. You go down to the laundromat and you're kind of, got quarters in your pocket. You're probably going to do a few loads of laundry and throw it in the dryer. You don't need $50. $5 in quarters is going to cover it. Like I said, you do this all the time, you just don't think about it. Now, in your book, you're going to be given some problems and you're going to be asked, is this something where you should do the exact math or is this more of an estimation problem? A key term that you should know is about. If you see the word about in a problem, that's an estimation problem. So, for example, if I were to say, about how many cookies am I going to need to bring to class tomorrow? That's not an exact number. 20 is just as good as 25, okay? Another clue, you might see more or less, maybe the word approximately. But the key word you'll see most often is about. If you see the word about, it's, we're going to be there about 10:30. That means not exactly 10:30, it means around 10:30. We need about $10. Don't have to have exactly $10, just need to be in the neighborhood. That's an estimation problem. Your second task is you're going to be given math problems and you're going to be asked to estimate what's a reasonable number. For example, they give you a problem where they say you buy $15 worth of stuff. How much about do you think the sales tax would be? Now, we live in California, so we're used to paying sales tax. If you pay $8 on a $15 purchase, that's crazy. That's more than half of what it costs. If you pay $10, again, that's crazy. That's 10 out of $15, way too much. 3 cents, you know this from shopping that's way too low. $1.25, yeah, that's a reasonable number. That makes sense. So B is the correct answer for that problem. So as I said, you got 2 tasks to do. First off, identify is it a math problem or estimation problem? And then your second task, what you have to do is choose a reasonable number. Good luck.